Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create video from photos using Inshot application. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my Inshot application, and first of all, I'm going to click on this video section to create new project on Inshot. And then we can click on new to start creating your project and choose the photos that you want to add to your video or your project. You can go to the photo section to access your photos from your device, and here I'm just going to pick random photos. I'm going to add this one, add this one, and this one as well. Once you're done choosing your photo, you can click on this check mark and your photos will be added to your Inshot project. And I'm going to apply same duration to my photo. I'm going to click on this duration option and I'm going to choose 2 seconds. Okay, and click on this double check mark to apply this duration to all your photos. Okay, and now my photos are in the same duration, and I'm going to apply transition to my photo. We can click on this icon to apply transition like this and choose the transition that you like. I'm going to apply this one, and I'm going to apply a couple of different transitions. Okay. Alright, and to make your video more interesting or more engaging, you can add music. You can go to the audio and then select music, and you can choose music from Inshot, or you can also add music from your device. I'm going to use music from Inshot. I'm going to select this theme, this beat theme. And we have to download it first before we use the music. I'm gonna select this one. Oops, sorry guys, I'm afraid of the copyright, so I'm gonna mute my music. And after we have downloaded this music, we can click on use to use it. Okay, and this is the final result. Alright guys, and that's how we can create a video from photos using Inshot application. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.